this and go check the crib. Just to make sure if you do the only one on your lap. There you go, cockapoo. I don't spill it anymore. Hey, how are you guys? Welcome to Mommy's Puppies. Everybody good? Everybody got some water? Got some water, Yorkie poo?
Well, no, I think that one might win the cutest puppy award.
Which one? The Yorkie poo? Oh, this one is the sister to that one.
Yeah, those are cute too.
There's this little one right here has so much energy.
These were
She's so
feisty
happy.
last time I came in here.
I know. That's a she poo and a Yorkie poo. You guys got your water and you guys in the window are all good. Are you eating that, Maltese? Don't eat that. I think we're all good. Yes.
How much is this one?
Which one? That one's $12.95. That's a little she poo. Would you like to see the puppy?
No, it's okay.
Oh. This one's really pretty too. The multi-palm, the little wolf-looking guy.
These all stay pretty small, huh?
Mm-hmm.
More of a big dog type of guy.
Oh, do you see the ones in the back?
No.
Oh, we got two Siberian Huskies, a Labradoodle, a Labrador.
What's a Labradoodle?
Lab Poodle.
How can a lab and a poodle? Wow, that's cool. Wait, that's a Labradoodle?
That one is.
Oh, okay. Oh, it's like one of those giant poodles.
Yeah, except it's mixed with the lab, so
Right.
you get less genetic and hereditary problems.
I was gonna
And
say,
this makes the lab a lot smarter.
those huskies are cool.
I know. That one's older than that one. That's why it's so
What kind of, is that like a golden lab or?
A yellow lab.
Yeah, I love those.
I know.
Those huskies, you can keep them outside in the summer and they won't get too hot?
No, you don't want to keep them outside in the summer. Not in Florida.
Right.
But they do adapt to the Florida weather. You know, they don't. A lot of people think that just because they're double coated means that it's a problem. But the thing is they don't grow a double coat unless they are in the snow. So other than that, just